In this video, we'll explore the trim command in Rhino, a foundational editing tool that allows you to cut away parts of a curve or surface using other objects as cutting guides. Step 1. Accessing the command. To start, type trim in the command line and press enter. Alternatively, go to the edit menu, trim, or click the trim icon in the curve edit or surface edit toolbar. Step 2. Select cutting objects. Rhino first prompts you to select the cutting objects. These are the curves or surfaces that will act as guides for trimming other geometry. Select them and press enter to confirm. Step 3. Select parts to trim. Now, click on the portion of the object you want to remove. You'll see the geometry update in real time. Click once to remove the unwanted segment. That's the trim command, your go-to tool for cutting and cleaning geometry precisely, whether it's curves, surfaces, or even complex 3D forms. Now, we'll explore the divide command in Rhino, a useful tool to split any curve into equal length segments and generate division points along the curve. Step 1. Accessing the command. To get started, type divide into the command line and press enter. You can also find it in the curve, point object divide, curve menu, or by clicking the divide icon in the point toolbar. Step 2. Select the curve to divide. Rhino prompts, select curve to divide. Click the curve you want to divide. It can be a line, arc, polyline, spline, or any NURBS curve. Step 3. Enter number of segments. Now, Rhino asks number of segments. Enter the number of equal parts you want. For example, 5 to divide the curve into 5 segments. Rhino then places points at those equally spaced intervals. Tips divide doesn't break the curve. The original curve remains intact. Divide simply places points along it. These points are not editable divisions, but reference markers, which you can use for modeling or construction. Use divided points for design logic. Divide is perfect for tasks like placing elements evenly along the path, guiding construction geometry. That's the divide command, a clean and simple way to generate evenly spaced points along any curve in Rhino. Now, we'll learn how to use the split command in Rhino, a tool that allows you to cut curves or surfaces into multiple pieces using other curves, surfaces, or points as cutting objects. Step 1. Accessing the command. To begin, type split into the command line and press enter. You can also access it from the edit menu, split, or use the split icon in the curve or surface edit toolbars. Step 2. Select the object to split. First, unlike the trim command, here Rhino asks, select objects to split. Click on the curve, surface, or polysurface that you want to cut into segments. Then press enter. Step 3. Select cutting objects. Next, Rhino prompts, select cutting objects. These can be lines, curves, surfaces, points, or even other intersecting geometry. Select the object that intersects or crosses the one you want to split. Then press enter. Tips. Split cuts the geometry physically. Unlike the divide command, which only places reference points, split actually divides the object into separate pieces. Each segment can be selected, moved, or deleted independently. Splitting is non-destructive command. While trim command removes the section that is trimmed, the split command keeps all geometry intact while splitting them in reference to the cutting object. That's the split command, a direct way to segment your geometry into editable parts using intersections, construction lines, or custom cuts.